What's up guys, we finally got some more fan origami. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to fold this simple push button by creative folder. It's just really simple. The spring is pretty good. So yeah, I was actually going to post this on Wednesday, but I was having some problems, so I wasn't able to upload it. It wasn't uploading at all. So I had to publish it today. But anyway, if you guys want to learn how to fold it, then let's continue. Alright, so let's begin this model white side up, and we're going to fold in half. Unfold, rotate, and we're going to fold in half again. Unfold, and fold the edges to the center. And now, fold the edges to the center again, and you can unfold this time. And unfold. And now, we're going to fold to the center. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. And now we're going to fold to the farthest crease, and unfold, rotate, and repeat. Alright, I'm going to zoom in a little bit now, because the paper's getting smaller. But now, what we're going to do, is we're going to make a crease from here to here. It's going to be a mountain fold. Like that, and now do that on the other three corners. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in, and then we're going to fold this in. And crease sharply also, because it's not going to be sharp on the edges. This isn't probably exactly how Creative Folder taught it. I just looked at the model and I was like, I know what to do. And I folded it, and I figured it out without the tutorial actually. But this is the same, ending basically, except his ends up with an X on top. Oh, and do that on the other side. So you're just gonna take it and you're gonna fold it in. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this flap in along this crease, and we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to here. And try to hold the flaps down so that they don't slide, because they are sliding for me. And do that on this side. And you guys are finito. You're done. Probably said finito wrong. I don't know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this model. If you guys want some more difficult models, if you are new to my channel, then I post every Saturday, and next one will be definitely more of a complicated model. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. I know I already said that, and I gotta peace out now because it's 10:07 p.m. So yeah, goodbye guys. Also check out his channel right there, Creative Folder's channel, and I'm gonna go now. Alright, bye. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys, if you want to get featured on my channel, then what you have to do is you have to invent your own origami model, then make a tutorial for it, then tag me in the title or the description, and then I will come watch the tutorial, and then I will, oh, you can see finger marks on it, but then I will come and watch the tutorial, and then I will teach it on here exactly how you saw it. I'll leave the link to your video, if I can remember, and a link to your channel right up there. And so yeah, okay, I really gotta peace out now, guy. Bye, not guy. Bye.